Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's Flipped Videos. Today's video is going to be a review of reading decimals, so let's get to it. This video was inspired by a lot of you who filled out that form and let me know what some of your favorite foods were, and I saw a lot of you really liked cheeseburgers, and that reminds me of the one time that my brother, Kyle, he ate a really big cheeseburger. This isn't a picture of it, but this is about the size of it. And it was 4.087 pounds of food he had to eat, including the french fries. And thinking as a fourth grade teacher, it's really not the best thing to say 4.80 or 0.87. So I wanted to put this into word form. So the first thing when I come to decimals, that I put my 1 under the decimal point, my 0, 0, 0. That's going to help me when I'm writing this out. So first, what I do is I see to the left of the decimal point are my whole numbers. So that's just going to be simply 4. When I get to my decimal point, right there, that's when I'll say and then I need to figure out what to do about this decimal. So I see I have 87 is the number that the digits show. So I'll write down 87. Remembering to put a dash here. And I did manage to squeeze it in. Now I need to figure out 87 what? 87 tenths, 87 hundredths, 87 thousandths. So here I will look and I see my last whole digit, my 7, has a 1,000 under it, so I know it's in the thousandths place. So I would write thousandths. Making sure I have my TH there at the end. So to read this, it would be 4 and 87 thousandths. Now let's look at the reverse of this. I went to buy a pizza the one day, and they said that it would cost me 16 and 48 thousandths dollars, which is a very strange amount of money to charge, but that's what they told me. So I need to break this down. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw myself some lines. So I'm going to do 2 whole numbers, a decimal point, 1, 2, 3. Let's put my 1,000 underneath that. So now I'm going to look at my and I'm going to look at everything to the left here, and I see I have a 16. So that's simple enough, that's a whole number. Now I'm going to look to the right, and it says 48 thousandths. Now I see 48, so I'll put a 4 and an 8. Now let me look at this. It has 16 and 48, but that says hundredths, so I made a mistake there. Alright, so let's try something different. Now, 48 thousandths. Now I know that 8 is going to need to be in the thousandths place, because it's like when we did the last one, it had the 8. So I'm going to put the 8 and the 4 there. Now I can't leave that blank, so I need to put in a 0 there. So now let me try and read this. 16 and 48 thousandths. That's good. So you see there, I kind of reversed it. I wrote it down what I thought was standard form, and then I tried it again. Now, your problems to solve and bring back to school, I would like, for this one, I would like you to write that into written form, and this one, I would like you to put that into standard form. So, review the video, make sure you're doing the right thing, and go on back and making sure that you are checking your work. I will see you tomorrow.